Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeByTushu. So I hope you are doing great and making consistency in your coding journey. So today is happy Independence Day everyone in. So today is 11th August. So keep learning and keep growing and keep making yourself strong every single day. So today's LeetCode daily challenge problem we are solving. So problem name is LeetCode 3702 longest subsequence with non-zero bitwise XOR. So in this problem we need to find the longest subsequence whose bitwise XOR in non-zero. At the first glance the first like a dynamic programming so subsequence problem and but the key observation is related to the property XOR. So let's understand the problem and then break down every single line of Java code solution. So first of all guys, problem understanding. As we are integer array nums, we need to choose a subsequence such that the XOR all selected element is non-zero, and our goal is to return the maximum possible length of such sequence, and if no valid subsequence exists we return 0. So the XOR non-zero, the answer can be 2. And important observation like the most important property of XOR. Now consider the XOR the entire array like 0 and x. So now you create the like this and approach like solution approach like calculate the XOR of all element and check whether the contains at least one zero element, and based on these two condition return n minus 1 and 0. So guys, and let's start Java code. And first is class solution and public solution by LeetCode. So and next is the integer total XOR with 0. So we will use the variable to calculate the XOR to entire array. First line is. So next is the boolean keeps track the whether the array contains at least on one non-zero element. So we traverse every element of the array using an enhanced for loop, and this is the shortest for, and we continuously calculate the XOR of all element. So we check whether the current element non-zero, and if we find even one non-zero element, we mark as non-zero as a true. So we close the condition both of them, then we store the length of the array n, then condition use the again. If the XOR the entire array already non-zero, complete array in the valid subsequence though, so return the we return the value the like maximum length one, and save the code and submit the code. I think guys code is complete. So we will check code is right is not. So I think guys code is wrong, but next line is they use the Traversal operator, use the return value, and save the code and submit the code again, and check the face like otherwise all elements are 0, so no valid subsequence exists, we return value. So and the code is right and complete code. So time complexity omega n and space complexity omega 1. So that's for today's LeetCode daily challenge, and the main takeaway from this problem to understand the property and XOR interested of trying to generate every possible subsequence. So if you enjoyed this explanation and like, comment, subscribe to Code by the Show. But if you want to find this complete Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript LeetCode solution, you can also check them out on my Code by the Shoe website. And keep practicing. And again, happy Independence Day. And I will see you the next video daily challenge. So thank you so much guys for watching.